So we're just going to set this up real quick, and if you look at it, it's set up, it's got an oval on there where you put the base of the hover cam, and then it's marked off different size pieces of paper, letter, legal, A4, B5, A5, business card. So we set that right there in the oval, and it's set up now. Now we put a business card, there it is. Take an image of it. Now it's scanned into your computer. You can save it as a PDF or whatever you want. You can have it on your screen there, and you never have to flip through paper copies of business cards again. It's all set. We can zoom out some. We want to put a letter-sized piece of paper. Oh, we just happen to have one right here. Let's put it in there. Put it in the little corner pieces. There we are. Of course, you got to straighten it out a little bit. Make sure it's all straight, and there you go. Now, if we want to, we can hit trim. It's going to auto trim that, so it looks a little bit cleaner. Now you can set there, you can rotate it around, you can set it to a PDF, you can just take the image, worry about that later. And there you go, now it's saved. Now you have your scanned copy, you got your document camera. There, if you're just giving a presentation, you want to show something, there you go, you can zoom in on it. You got a nice color picture right up there. As you can see, it is color. My hand is the color of my hand. The red button on the remote is red. Just what I was using here is just black and white. It's a great camera. It's got a real nice image. You can't go wrong with it. So, like I said, it's got the lights on there for your darker rooms. You can turn the LEDs on, brighten up your image a little bit. So, any questions? We'd be more than happy to help you out. Email sales@touchboards.com. Call us up at 866-942-6273.